Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and well, today of course the October 2020 update is now available. It is also known as version 20H2, and this is going to be the new way moving forward of giving us what version of Windows we are actually installing or we are getting. The first number 20 for the year 2020, and H2 means second half of 2020. So this is how it's going to be. And next year, well, if we have two versions, it'll be 21H1, 21H2, and that's how it's going moving forward. It's an easier way to really know exactly what version we have. So here is the famous page with known issues. They got the update today, of course, as the release happened today, October 20th. Well, the known issues page has been updated to include 20H2 now. I will share this page once again with everybody. Now, if you're wondering, are there some known issues that are not in the earlier version? One of the things that you need to know is that these issues that are either resolved or investigated or so on are basically the same as they are on the May 2020 update. You got to know that this version is actually the same as version 2004. It just has a cumulative update that tweaks the system, updates some of the settings, and turns on some of the options that weren't on yet. But they are technically the same version of Windows. So that's why they will have and should have in general the same known issues as the for both versions basically. So of course, one of the things they did fix here is the incorrectly formatted third-party drivers thing that was a problem still on the May 2020 update. Is fixed here, so it's going to be fixed on the May 2020 update with an update also. But here are the list of problems, and this is how it's looking up. So same problems basically as the May 2020 update. For the most part, most people that have received the May 2020 update should get 20H2, as there's really, for now, no special blockers that are not available on others. But we'll have a little discussion on that in the next video, because some of you might not see it, and we're going to explain the reasons why and why you need to be patient with all of this. So the known issues has been updated with version 20H2 in the list now. The link to this page is in the description below the video. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.